In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Visual Studio Code. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Visual Studio Code download page. And here I will be downloading the 64-bit system installer. So I'll click on 64 and the download should start. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with the NuGet package explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will click on add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and on this edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that, it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert it here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, then I will click rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and then I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For package name, I will enter VS Code. For file type, I will enter exe because the installation file that I'm using has the .exe extension. And also I need to provide silent switches because I want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have all the necessary silent switches for this package. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to the package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter VS Code. For the package version, I will enter 1.85.1 because I can see the version number on the installation file name right here. For the authors, I will leave it at list automation. And for the package description, I will enter VS Code package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to enter. Now I'll save the information by clicking on the save button. And now I need to save the package itself. And for that I will go to file, save as, and I will save it in my downloads folder. And I will also use my downloads folder as a Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's save it here. And now let's try to install it. And for that I will open my terminal application. And I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install software. And here I will type choco install, then I need to provide my package ID that you can see here. So it's VS Code. And then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive M downloads folder. And I will also add -y and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, all apps, I can find Visual Studio Code here. If I click on it, it opens up and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.